Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here in the flesh, and I'm here to give you guys a brand new video. I recently saw a video where a girl used spritz, pump it up spritz, to glue her brows upward as if she got brow lamination. And you guys know my brows are like super sparse. So just to zoom in, these are the brows that I was able to do using spritz. I know that sounds absolutely absurd, but it actually worked. So I want to kind of like show you guys the process of getting spritz brows and how they mimic brow lamination. And then I want you to tell me below what you guys think. Would you use spritz on your brows or what? But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the video so you guys can see how I was able to build a brow using spritz and a little bit of concealer. And yeah, we'll talk about it after we finish. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is take my spoolie brush. And this is my first time trying this, so please don't judge me. So yeah, I'm going to take my spoolie, and my brows, they really do need to be done. But because we are in quarantine and things are kind of slowly opening up, I felt like I wanted to try this trick while my brows are kind of, you know, a little wild and free. So I'm kind of just brushing them upwards where I want them to kind of lay. Nothing too serious, right? You guys can see that. Now I'm going to take some Pump It Up Spritz. I know you're probably thinking, what, Vanessa, why are you using this? But I've seen this girl use this, and I thought this is such a cool idea. So I'm going to just spray this up. I'm going to apply it to my brows like I would a brow setter, something like that. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want it to be kind of like brow lamination, where they push the brows up, but my brows never stay up. So I'm just going to do this and see how it kind of plays out. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil because my brows are like naturally sparse. So I'm kind of going to try to fill in any of those sparse hairs. My brows like really hard, like spritz, I guess. Did it give me a brow? So I'm going to take my L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Concealer in 385 Amber. See that? And these are how the brows came out once I have gone ahead on and put on some makeup, because your girl had to get glam. Like, quarantine has me out here looking absolutely crazy, but I had to just get glam for you guys, you know? So yeah, this is what the brows look like. Of course, I went ahead and I had to add some pencil in between just so I can kind of fill in those gaps. But I will say, I think I might be adding spritz to my brow routine. I never thought I would say that, but here I am. I'm feeling it. I just feel like I'm really liking the more textured, the more wispy brow that's not so harsh. I kind of feel like I draw my brows on so harsh because I'm a left-hander and I'm very heavy-handed. I feel like this technique really helped me to lighten up the pressure, and my brows are staying, like they're not moving around at all. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.